Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am loading my crinkled taffeta panels for my base. I am going to give you an idea for a Memorial Day celebration. I'm working on my second layer now. I am using royal blue is the velvet, white is 4-way stretch, the red is 2-way stretch, and the center is sequin. So I'm just measuring to make sure everything nice and neat. You decide on your measurements, just determine how much of a color you want to show, and then you just want to make it the same measurement on both sides. So this is a triple layer design. As you can see, I'm loading another layer of panels. Again, I'm just measuring to make sure everything is nice and even. I'm making a pole cover here. I'm using a pipe cleaner to secure it. So I just need to move the panels out the way for the first layer. So now I'm just pleating in the center, making sure everything is nice and straight. With my white panel, I'm beginning to loosen the panel up, giving it some drop. And then with the velvet, I'm going to give it even more of a drop. That was just a temporary fix on that side. So I'm just doing the same thing that I just did on the other side with the white panel. And then I'm going to do it also with the velvet panel. So now I'm pleating the first layer. You're going to notice at the very top that it's going to start opening up. I will fix that soon after. But the velvet is so easy to adjust and move around. But I suggest before you take it up, pin it there, so you don't have to go and try to pin it after you put your design together. I'm making the bottom nice and neat. I really love working with this velvet from CV Linens. The quality is really good, and it just makes pleating very easy, unlike some velvet panels that I got from Amazon. So I definitely recommend this velvet, and I will be buying me more velvet. It's also a low maintenance fabric. Please share your thoughts below. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you next time. Bye.